Okay, you'll notice here that I have the 5,256.6. That was from the previous problem. That's the area of the infield. We're going to use this on this problem. Now, we need to find first the area of this big oval. So, if you take a look, this is actually not 40 yards all the way across. It's 5 plus 5. The whole thing is 50 yards. So what I'm interested in first is this rectangle. It's 50 yards by 100 yards. So 50 times 100 gives you 5,000 yards squared. Then we also have the semicircle, and since it's 50 yards all the way across, it's going to be 25 yards in radius. So 25 squared times pi is going to give you, when you round it to the nearest tenth, 1,963.5. So the reason why we use that's half a circle here on this side, half a circle on this side, and then we add those two halves together. So I'm going to add the whole thing, and that's going to give you 6,963.5. But the question is, how big is the running track? That's what we're really interested in. It's this space all the way around here. So what we need to do is subtract out the area on the infield grass. So I need to take 6,000. I'm actually going to write 6,963.5, and I'm going to subtract 5,256.6. That's the area of the field, and that gives me 1,706.9 yards squared. But we're not going to put the yard squared because we're putting in assessments, so that's the number you put in.